Namaste guys. So today I'll going to share with you some tips, tricks and techniques concerning Delf B1 exam. Alright, Delf B1 exam. So in this video we're going to analyze how to get good marks and I'm going to share with you tips and tricks like concrete tips, and that's the reason why this video is divided into 3 parts. All right, I'll cover each and everything. All right, so we will focus on email or a mail, a letter. Why? Because in 90% of the cases, actually 90 to 98% of the cases, suppose if your day is very bad and if you come under this 2% of the people, then only you will get something which is not related to a letter. Otherwise, rest assured that you will going to get an email or a mail. All right, so we will focus on mail. All right, and then structure concerning Delf B1. I'm going to share each and every structure so that you end up scoring good marks in your Delf B1. All right, then construction of phrases, how to construct proper sentences in French language. All right, and I'll give you some examples: formal, informal, semi-formal, or whatever. All right, and in the end I'll going to share with you some secret tips no one going to share with you. And before we start this video, I'm thankful to Madame Padma of Alliance Francaise, Madame Usha of Alliance Francaise, Madame Ashmi of Alliance Francaise, sorry ma'am, and Mr. Soma Sundaram of Alliance Francaise, and all the teachers who taught, and Priyanka Kharbanda ma'am, and all the teachers who taught me French language. And I'm sorry if I forgot your name. All right, and Chetan sir also. Miss you, Chetan. I hope no one is left. All right, so let's start now. In case if you need to write a formal letter, all right, formal letter, how you will going to start the letter? With monsieur or madame. But here you need to keep in mind always that you have to write madame le maire in this format. All right, never forget this one. When I was with Usha ma'am, once I lost 1 mark. She deducted 1 mark and she told me, Pankaj, this is very important. The article is very, very, very important. All right, always keep in mind madame whenever you write madame, or in the very beginning. All right, monsieur or madame, and then this format. You have to respect this thing. All right, now how you will write first line in a very, very, very formal letter. Suite à notre conversation téléphonique, je me permets de vous contacter pour, and then you can write whatever your question is as it is. All right, I mean in a very very sober manner. Do not write the whole question, écrivez une lettre and all, just the main portion. All right, so keep this in mind. You will end up scoring like good marks for this thing. So suite à notre conversation téléphonique. In Hindi language, first of all, I'm going to tell you in Hindi language what does this mean. हमारी बातचीत के अनुसार, हमारी जो भी बातचीत हुई थी उसके पश्चात मैं आपको ये खत लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? For this thing, following our telephonic conversation, I'm writing you this letter or whatever. All right, so this, keep this in mind and it would be perfect. All right, so this one is a formal letter when you have to write a letter to your superior. Suppose this is you. All right, this is you. I don't know what I made. And this is your boss. All right, the devil. In that case, you need to write like this. All right, you need to follow a formal pattern. All right. In most of the cases, you need to write a mail to the director of Alliance Francaise. So the rule will remain the same. I beg your pardon. So now, if you have to write to someone who is equal to your position, then bonjour and then the prénom of that person. All right, bonjour Pankaj, or and one thing, never write an Indian name. Never write a name of if you are not French, do not write the name of the people of your country. All right, always try to write names which are French. All right, keep such things in mind. All right, now for example, Monsieur Legac or Monsieur Sarkozy, you can write this, not a bad thing. I know it's not a prénom, but this could also be written. All right, but whenever you write like Monsieur Yadav, my full name is Pankaj Yadav. So if I write Monsieur Yadav, it gives a connotation of something a bit formal. All right, so that's the reason if someone is equal to you, is suppose if you need to write this, suppose this is you and this she is your girlfriend or your boyfriend. In this case, you can write bonjour or cher or something like that. All right, there would be no issues. This is just for example. You're not going to write a letter to your girlfriend in your exam. Rest assured, no one is going to give you such kind of stupid things. Bonjour, prénom, write like this. Bonjour, Nicolas. All right, Nicola or Padma or Usha or whatever. All right, now how to start? Now, how will you start? You will start with Je vous écris pour. All right. Suppose, and if you observe here carefully, just a second. If you observe carefully, I have written vous. All right, I have written vous. Why? Because here the position is equal, but yet the relation is formal. All right, and we need to write a formal letter. All right, hence we are writing vous. So, je vous écris pour, in this manner. Now, the second option which is available to you is je vous informe que, I'm informing you that. All right, and then the content, whatever content is available to you, and then je te écris. Suppose if the letter is semi-formal, in that case also you can write like, in that case you will never going to use vous. All right, in that case you will always going to use tu, te, tu. You will never going to use vous. Never. You'll use you. All right, see, you're going to use tu in semi-formal letter, but with some boundaries. For example, if you need to write a letter to your dentist, you will not going to give him kisses, right? So avoid those kind of stupid mistakes. So do this. All right, je vous écris pour, je vous informe que, je te écris que, or je te écris pour, sorry. All right, now if you need to write a letter to your friend, in that case, see, it's a very rare possibility that you're going to write a letter to your friend, but I'm just telling you, all right, just for the sake of telling you, or whatever. All right, now how you're going to use bonjour and then the prénom. All right, salut, coucou, or anything you want to. Actually, you have to write a letter to your friend in A2 level, but just for the sake of sharing the information, I'm just saying sharing this knowledge with you. All right, comment vas-tu? This is how you're going to start. All right, comment vas-tu, and then j'espère que tu vas bien and all. And always remember, I have seen students doing this stupid mistake, and I used to do this mistake. Je vais, tu vas. Take care of this thing. People often do this mistake. All right, and how you're going to end it? You're going to end it like bien à toi or à bientôt. All right, that's how you can end this thing. Now, if there are a lot of people, now let's suppose you need to write in a magazine, or if you need to write about something. Let's say you are suppose there are a lot of people under you. Suppose there are a lot of people under you, and you are their head. In that case, you're going to write bonjour à tous. That's how you are going to start. Or cher collègue. If I have to write something, then I'll start it with cher collègue. All right, it sounds a bit more very formal. It sounds very sophisticated. Hence, I would suggest you to use such kind of things. All right. Pour information, blah 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 blah. That's how you can start. That's how you can start. All right. In order to introduce a subject, that's how you're going to start. In order to introduce a subject or your subject or the content, that's how you're going to use. All right. And in the end, of course, it's cordialement, bien cordialement, or bien à vous. All right, that's how you're going to end it. These are just the last words. All right, so let's see. So this is the end of part 1, and in the second part I'm gonna share with you more precise content. I mean, like, till now I just told you how to write the very beginning. Now I'm going to tell you how to write the content. All right, how to introduce the content in order to get more marks. All right, and thanks to my teachers that I'm sharing this knowledge with you people. So thanks a ton. God bless you all. Thank you.